Alright, so before we start driving, we're literally going to be driving here in 30 seconds. So we're at Crescent Beach right now. You already saw the route that we're going to be taking because I had that at the beginning of the video. Not going to be showing much of the beach, but I just did my first ever video of these series. And I took the 331 to get here. There's Crescent Beach over there. There's the other side. We got kite surfers on each side. But anyways, we took the 331 to get here, which basically goes all the way through Bridgewater on King Street, and you basically just follow that road all the way here. Goes up the right side of the Lehave River. If you're driving here, you're on the right side of it. Anyways, just thought I'd show you guys. We're driving a 2010 Mustang GT with the 4.6. Beautiful sounding car for anybody who's a car enthusiast watching this here. And I just got to the beach going that way, and now we're taking the Petite Rivière way to get back. Again, not going to, already showed you guys that at the beginning, but yeah, I just went for a swim, and it was lovely here. If you want to see a little bit of beach footage, I don't have much, just watch the last video, because when I got here, I just walked out onto the beach with the camera on my head here. But I didn't film much, because I don't know, I just find it feel kind of weird just walking down the beach with the camera on my head, having everybody look at me. But anyways, let's start the drive. So we're going to be driving to Cookeville today. Again, I already went over that in the beginning. If you don't want to hear me blab along the whole time, you can play some music or something. And in the description below, I'm going to try to have all the communities that I go through marked. So anyways, wait for this car to come by me here. And then we'll go for a drive. So yeah, the way here was really nice. You got some good views along the Lehave River on your way up. And now you can hear the beautiful 4.6. Sorry if it's a little windy, but it's a really hot day and I really don't feel like putting the old windows up right now, especially when we're driving outside the beach. But yeah, it's quite windy. The water was really nice. Right now it says on in my car that it is 16 degrees. At home, I would say it's probably still 30. We're in the kind of the middle of a bit of a heat wave right now. Hold on, before we go, I'm just gonna show you guys a little bit of these kite surfers because it's really friggin' cool. Let's watch these guys go. They'll go right up in the, I don't know if you can see it too well. These guys will literally do a bunch of tricks and stuff. It's really cool. You know, he's kind of going far away. You know what, screw it, we're gonna keep going. Yeah, never mind, we're gonna keep going right now. Wait a minute, never mind, looks like he's coming back, hold on. Sorry if there's not a good view, I can't really see what the camera's showing, so it's kind of tough. Watch, this guy might do like a cool trick coming up here, I bet you will. Oh, that's cool too. Oh, hold on. Don't want to get distracted here, he's gonna do it, I bet you right now he's gonna hit a cool jump. Alright. Man, that looks like a lot of fun. I hope I got that on video. I probably didn't. Anyways, let's keep moving. Bahamas. That's what that license plate says. All right. What a beautiful day. I love all the beach grass here. Saw that Mustang on the way in. Looks like an EcoBoost or a V6. I just don't see any GT anywhere. Therefore, I'm superior, even if your car's as fast as mine. The old 4.6 got 315 horsepower and 325 torque, which is plenty for me. I know those numbers don't sound so big with, you know, every single V8 now having like over 400 horsepower, or shall I say every single V8 muscle car having over 400. But still enough speed and power to get you in trouble. Jeez, I'm gonna have to stop to pee on the way home. Don't worry, I'll turn the camera off for that one. So I said in my first video, but I'm sorry if the footage isn't that great. Like I said, I'm really new to this POV filming, and I literally just bought a cheap Amazon phone mount that I just mount my phone into. And it works pretty good, but I just can't really, I mean, I'm sure with the GoPro it's the same, but I can't see exactly where I'm filming right now. I have to focus on the road. I can't like see my phone screen right now because it's like strapped to my head. So yeah, a bit of cars here, but honestly, I thought it was going to be busy, but there was tons of space on the beach. Like, there wasn't much people here. I'm going to go through here. There should be enough room for the two of us. So yeah, if you take a right and stay straight on that road, that's the 331, and it'll take you right to Bridgewater. Probably the fastest way to get to Bridgewater, but I want to take this way, because I already went this way in. But if you just stay straight on that road, this is like, this road, the 331 here, connects to King Street and basically the main downtown of Bridgewater. It's about 20 minutes back that way to get there. Woo! So I'm not gonna, well, maybe I will stop in depending on how busy it is. I'm guessing it's gonna be too busy, but Rissers Beach is right here to the left. It's like a campground and all that. I think you gotta pay to go in, but I'm not sure. There's a sign for Rissers Beach right there. So there's a campground on the right side. Yeah, there's Rissers right there, yeah. I'm pretty sure you gotta pay just to get in there. Let's see. Yeah, see, there's like a toll, little booth or something there. I don't know if you have to pay just to get in, but that's Rissers Beach. I've never actually been on Rissers Beach, but I hear it's really nice. I assume it'd be super similar to Crescent. Maybe more people there because there's all kinds of cars due to the camping and stuff. It's another way, cool looking boardwalk there along the water. It's pretty cool. Have to go check that out sometime. I've never been on it. Sorry, I'm not getting good views here, but I kind of have to look at the road, so I can't look to the left or right too much, because like I said in the last video, looking at the road when you're driving, it's kind of important. So we're still on the 331. Oh, it's beautiful out here. The temperature's already coming back up again. I don't know what that is down there. Oh, the heat's already coming back. Like I said, when I left today, it was a little earlier, but it was 35 degrees Celsius at my house. And now, it's, well, at the beach it was like 16. Now it's up to 21. I believe around this corner is a bridge. Yep. My memory serves me right. I'm pretty sure only one car can go on at a time. Oh, it's just beautiful out here. Petite Rivière. This is the community we're in right now. Got a little corner store there. Cool. Got the fire department. So yeah, this is going to take us out to Italy Cross. And then we'll hit the 103 from there. That must be the Petite Rivière. Cute. Yeah, beach scenery, river scenery. I love it. Looks like people are swimming down there. Some nice twisties. Here's a sharp one. Oh, that's a sharp turn. Wouldn't hit that too quick. And the Petite Rivière is still to the right of us. Can't really see it well through the trees, but beautiful down here. I love it. So, I'm going to try to have every single community that I go by in the description below. I know these aren't the most interesting videos, but I don't know. I just thought if people were interested in coming down here, they could see what the drive looked like before making the trip down, just with how crazy gas is. I also thought, you know, if you're from Nova Scotia area, you might, or if you used to be from Nova Scotia, shall I say, that this would be pretty interesting to look at. If you haven't been down here in years, say you moved out to Ontario and you want to get the old Nova Scotia, you want to just see some nice places that you used to hang out around, you could watch these videos. And like I said, I know they're going to be really long, but that's why I'm going to put all of the areas that I go by in the description below, or at least I'm going to try to. I don't even know what community I'm in right now. I'm going to have to look it up on Google Maps. "27 degrees now. It was 16 back on the beach. More of the river. Nice Challenger. Ooh, that's a nice house. Dang. An awesome house. I put music on for the background, but I'll get copyrighted. YouTube's real strict about that stuff. New Cumberland. Ooh, there's a sharp turn. Woo! Slow down so I'm not too close to these guys. Looks like if you go to the right, you go to Conquerall Mills and Crousetown. I'm gonna stay straight on this road. I don't think I've ever been that way before, though. to do a nice pull. "31 degrees again already." Just gonna let these guys get a little ahead of me here. So you know what, never mind. People coming up behind me anyways. Oh no, we're stuck behind a bus. Actually, I think it's a trailer. An RV, maybe. Or a bus. Or an RV, or a bus converted into an RV, I don't know. Yeah, if you take the 331 or this way, they're both really scenic. The other way might be a little bit more scenic because you kind of got the river. Here it's just sort of cute houses and a lot of trees and just nice side rural road here. I think if you're not from around here, the 331 might be the best bet. More of the ocean side view. I don't think it's going to be too long, and then we're going to be up on the old 103. Hold on, is this Mustang for sale? Oh, it is. I got to go back and look at that. Hold on, just going to pause it. Sorry about the delay, guys. I was just checking out that V6 Mustang there because my brother's looking for a car. And now we're going to hit the road again. Sorry to interrupt it, but I don't know. There's no price on it, but I was just, you know, never know. Could be a good deal. Just making sure that the camera's pointed good. It's kind of hard when you're driving, but let's go. Nice little pull here for you. There, at least we're not behind anyone anymore. Again, sorry about the wind. I just can't have the windows up when it's 32 degrees. I just can't do it. Yeah, I'll put them on for a second here so you guys can hear the nice car sounds. Look at the stop signs coming up. Might be the highway already. My phone's getting close to dying, so if it does, I apologize. Oh yeah, this is the highway here. Coming out by good old Italy Cross. I'll do a nice pull here for you onto the old highway. So I think this is exit 15. It's either 15 or 16. Maybe it's neither. I don't know. Going. I want to say exit 16. So now this is the 103. It's also the 3 at the same time because the number 3 goes on. It's like the old highway that goes all the way from Halifax to Yarmouth. But Bridgewater exit 14, the 3 and the 103, kind of like right now this is the 3 and the 103 at the same time, if that makes sense. There's a couple times where the 3 joins up to the 103. And then all the way till exit 18, Brooklyn and Liverpool, They're at Hebb's Cross right now. Yeah, that's where, all the way to exit 18, Liverpool and Brooklyn, the number 3 branches off of the 103 again. I feel like my camera's pointed down just a little too far. I don't know. Whatever. If it is, it is. So we're just, I think I would do this all the way back to Chester Grant, the area I live in, but I think my phone's getting pretty close to dying, so I think we're going to enter at the Cookeville Walmart, which is where we started today to go to the beach. That way actually felt faster. It's definitely, at least there to the highway, is definitely shorter than the 331 going in. I don't know which way is the fastest. I think from like if you're coming from the city, either way would be about the same. So I think that was exit 15 there, if it even is one of the exits, I don't know. Maybe it wasn't even an exit, I'm not really sure. Exit 14. Go to Bridgewater that way if you want. Excuse me. $32 degrees now. I can't believe it just went up 15 degrees from the beach. It was 16 there, now it's 32. C8 Corvette, I'm gonna give him a thumbs up. I love Corvettes. I love Mustangs too, but I love Corvettes as well. I don't know which one I like more, the C5, the C6, or the C7, or the C8, or the C3. They're all nice, but I think my favorites are the C3. I like the C4, but I just like the C3 more. And I also like the C5 more than the C4, and I like the C6, and I like the C7, and I like the C8. I think I would get a C7 or a C8, to be honest. I hate to say it, because I love the C5 and the C6, but I think a C7 or a C8 I'd choose. But I don't know what I would choose, because I understand that the automatic's faster, but I wish the C8 had a standard just for the enjoyment. I don't need to have the fastest car on the road. I would have more fun if it was a standard. But if I got a Corvette and kept this Mustang, which has the old 5-speed in it, I'd still have a standard car and a C8, so I don't know. Now, I don't know if it was a base model C8, the Stingray. I think I might take the C7 Z06 or ZR1 over a C8 Stingray. If it was the C8 Z06, nah, I think I would take that over any Corvette on the road right now. I really do. well, we're getting close to the end here. There's exit 13, exit 12 is Cookeville. Might give you guys a little pull before we go here. Let's do it. I thought that was an S2000 for a second. Looks like they're putting in a new exit here. I think it's like a trucker only exit, I'm not sure though. So yeah, this is the exit for Bridgewater. Exit 13 was as well. I'm not going to go right into Bridgewater. Holy frig, it's warm. I'm not going to go right into Bridgewater. I'm just going to, like I said, I'm just going to the Cookeville and, the Walmart in Cookeville here. In the last video, I did drive right down King Street, which is like the main road in Bridgewater. So if you want to see that, there you go. That's a big long turn of an exit. Or I'll give her a little rip here if there's nobody ahead of me. Nice rip. That sound is so good. These 3 valves, the 4.6, they sound amazing. Muffler delete is done to it, so that's why it's kind of loud. It really isn't that bad though. As you can tell, like cruising in 5th gear on the highway, it's pretty tolerable, not too obnoxious. And we're coming up to our final destination here. I'm gonna pull in exactly where I started the video. Well, this video is only gonna be Crescent Beach to Petite Rivière, or sorry, Crescent Beach to Cookeville here. But the last video was here. Exactly from Cookeville to Crescent Beach on the 331 instead of the way I just took. So if you're interested in that, go check out the last video. Nice green Mustang up ahead. I love that color. The old 5-liter, probably. Unless it's a V6. You know what? Those 3.7 V6s are actually pretty nice. Probably just about as fast as this thing. Oh yeah, it's a GT, alright. California special spoiler on her. It's a nice car. Very nice Mustang there, sir. And here we are. And this little parking spot is where I finished the video. So I'm going to pull right in there. Just because it'll be a complete circle. Just to say I did it. And that's that. Well, I hope the video and the driving turned out good. Thank you very much for watching. If you watched the whole thing, you're a trooper. If you have any other routes that you would like to see, please comment down below. I can't promise I'll do them with the gas prices, but if these videos start taking off, I'm definitely going to be doing a lot more. So, yeah, I think the next trip I'm going to do is the Blandford Loop. So stay tuned for that if you're interested. Anyways, thank you very much for watching. Quinn is out of here.